the content which you create, that should be informational, educational and entertaining. And in तीनों segment को जब आप एक मिला देते हो ना, that's when you create a bomb piece of content, right? And content की सबसे बड़ी बात ये, see, the content basically comes in four forms. Yeah, it's text, it's video, it's audio, or it's image. So जहां पे आपको लगता है कि you have expertise or you are confident enough, you should start creating that sort of content. It can be video for you, it can be audio for you, so आप podcast कर सकते हो. It can be text for you, so you can just write on LinkedIn or Medium. It can be video, it can be, sorry, images for you, so you can just start creating carousel decks on Instagram. Doesn't matter which form of content you pick up, but you actually have to create content as much as you can at scale, because that's the only unlock if you want to actually grow your business, or you basically, I would say, freelancing business in 2022, because creating content is just no brainer.